week in the arena of life. Namhlanje ngifuna sibuke esinye isihloko ngaphansi kwayo esithi be strong and courageous. Amazwi lawo esiwazi kakhulu eBhayibhelini athi qina ume isibindi. So this is a call to face some challenges and overcome your fear. Lana mfethu qhawe lami ngifuna abantu kufanele sibabheke mfethu. There are people who are celebrated, you know, wherever they go. Khona abantu ababacelebratayo, but because of fear engaphakathi kubo abakwazi mfethu uku-enjoy even a-celebration, even when people marvel at them because of leyo nto le. Bayibiza ngani mfethu le nto lena? Khona abantu abagibele amabhubesi. Uma ugibele ibhubesi mfethu kuthiwa abantu abaningi baye bakubungaze mfethu bakujabulele ukuthi unesibindi, kodwa uthola ukuthi wena ngaphakathi mfethu ugcwale ifear. So uthola ukuthi kunaleyo conflict engifuna sikhulume ngayo namhlanje. Khona abantu abama-celebrities mfethu angeke ngigxile kakhulu ukubona, but they are being celebrated wherever they go. But uthola ukuthi abanye while isho akuyo yenza kakhulu, ifear anayo ngaphakathi ukuthi ngizoyithola in a contract next year, you know. But wherever they go mfethu abantu bayabacelebrate abaze basho bathi mfethu, you are the reason why I watch that show, you are the reason why I listen to that show. But if fear engaphakathi, you are riding a lion, people are celebrating you, but internally you are not as strong as you look. Khona abantu mfethu abasemshadweni, you know, baze babizwa ngama-power couples bengachuzanga, you know. When people see you, they see mfethu abantu okufanele babe isibonelo emphakathini, but abantu abazi ukuthi umshado wakho is in shambles, you know. You don't even know mfethu ukuthi wena ngaphela inyanga seningasahlali ndawonye nonkosikazi wakho. Kulabo bantu ngithi mfethu uNkulunkulu uyibekile lento kunina, njengoba abantu bayibona ngoba ikhona. uNkulunkulu uyibekile kulonto. All that is needed from you ukuthi uqine ube nesibindi mfethu. Khona abantu mfethu abarana amabhizinisi, sengizovala. Khona abantu abarana amabhizinisi mfethu, they are celebrated everywhere. Kuthiwa unesibindi mfethu, ibhizinisi ongene kulo li-difficult. Now awazi ungene kanjani. You are riding a lion. People are celebrating you, but ngaphakathi like God, angikwazi ngisho ukumitha ama-operation cost aleli business engiliranayo. How will I face this lion ma ukuthi iyaphenduka iyang-attack, you know. There are people who are put in those positions. People are celebrating you because bayibona lento uNkulunkulu ayifake kuwe, but wena because of fear awukwazi ukuyibambelela lento okuyo. Qina ume isibindi. Abanye banikwa ama-positions, you don't understand le promotion uyithole kanjani. Baningi abantu bebeyifuna le position. You are even asking yourself, labantu bade beyifuna le position bazongisupporta kanjani, you know. You are riding a lion. Be brave and courageous. uNkulunkulu njalo umethatha umuntu emfaka entweni ethile, usuke emthembile ukuthi lo muntu unazo izinto engakwazi ukuthi anqobe ngazo lezo zinto. Abanye mfethu Gideon kwafika kubo bebhizi bedila nehwit, wathi uNkulunkulu, mighty man of God, right now ngithi qina ume isibindi ngoba uNkulunkulu ubona ama-finished products kuma-raw materials. God is love. Qina ume isibindi kukho konke onikezwe khona. In the arena of life, some of us are riding on lions. People are celebrating us, but they don't know the conflict inside us. Ukuthi we don't know how we are doing this thing. God is love.